Bless Allah, this is Tyrus Riley and you're watching Caribbean TV. Special request to all the nice and decent princess them. You don't know, she's royal, yeah, so royal. On the Caribbean TV, girls, bless up Tyrus Riley for that. Sit down.
I want to, at this point in time, just turn that over to the chair of Jamaica Diaspora, West, Midwest, none other than my friend, Ms. Valerie Becker, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Lord God. And our ethnic population dispersed throughout other parts of the world, and it includes migrants, first, second, third generation immigrants, as well as expatriates, students, guest workers, and refugees. What is the diaspora? The Jamaican diaspora. We have a map here that shows you it's people that are of Jamaican descent living all over the world. For the diaspora, as far as the country is concerned, so the question is, what has led to the formation of the diaspora? What will be the role of the home country towards its people at home and abroad? And what will be the role of the home nation's people that live abroad? The diaspora board is comprised of, as I said, 3 representatives from the USA, Midwest, West region, Eastern region, and the Southern region, 2 representatives from the UK, and 2 representatives from Canada. The advisory board represents the chairman, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade is the chairman of the diaspora, Jamaican diaspora. And then again, that just shows you the breakdown of where the representatives fall. So the goals of the diaspora movement are to strengthen the movement and its role in the national development of Jamaica, to reinforce the government's commitment to policy of inclusion of Jamaicans living abroad, and the government of Jamaica's commitment to invite and encourage recommendations on policy issues from the community. These pieces are very important because, again, when we talk about Jamaica, we all have our pros, our cons, we have our opinions, good or bad. But if you really want to be involved and you really feel that you have something that you want to say or you have opinions, feel very strongly about, then this is the time to get involved so that your views and your opinions can be voiced. So how do we meet these goals? We meet these goals simply by joining this movement through organizing and increasing memberships of the Jamaican diasporas within our diaspora, coordinating and launching activities and programs that will benefit our people in Jamaica, and of course, and most importantly, tapping into resources and expertise of the diaspora members. We know that when we talk about our folks, we have a lot of expertise, we have a lot of resources with which to tap in, and we know that we have not tapped into those resources. So joining the movement means communicating, talking. It means putting aside petty differences and joining forces to make a difference. It means raising money that will support the efforts of the Jamaicans both here and in Jamaica. So the core programs that were developed by the country are the following: trade and investment, economic development, security, health, immigration, education, cultural and sports, church faith-based initiative, and youth and young adult initiatives. Trade and investment. Establish trade councils in each region. This was something that was directed that they wanted us to do. To urge businessmen in Jamaica to establish businesses in Jamaica and to invest in Jamaica, including franchising. To assist small businesses and young entrepreneurs in Jamaica through training and mentoring. Economic development. Establish a special task force to explore and expedite the pursuit of economic opportunities in Jamaica and to take advantage of world trends and development in areas such as renewable energy, such as solar power, many wind farms for commercial and residential use, and expanded export trade in agricultural products. Security. To identify and look for solutions that will address areas that threaten our national security. And things like that would include joblessness, poverty, family in terms of the health initiative, which has been one of our strongest initiatives coming out of this region in the last 4 years. Immigration. Urge Jamaicans to inform themselves about developments and immigration policies of their host countries, and for us that would be the United States, and lobby your representatives to sensitize them about the threat of these policies to law-abiding, upstanding immigrants. So again, if immigration is a big issue for us, then we need to galvanize so that we can come as a force and a power to present our concerns to the representatives that represent us in the federal government. Education recommends that a network of educators in the diaspora be established to mobilize the diaspora on education issues, including its importance in national development. Culture and sports, to identify ways to expose the public about Jamaican culture and sports, develop mechanisms that will preserve Jamaican culture and sports throughout the diaspora, and to educate diaspora on famous